Let us look at a bartering example. We have 6 bidders. A car dealer has 4 new cars for sale. A person called Alice owns a house in Paris. Alice plans to move to Berlin and hence wants to barter her Paris house with another house in Berlin. John owns a house in Berlin and wants to move to Barcelona. Hence he wants to barter his Berlin house with a Barcelona house. Bob has a house in Barcelona and wants to barter it with a house in Paris. Bob also has 50,000 euros. Mary has 15,000 euros and wants to buy a car. Oliver has 160,000 euros and wants to buy a house in Berlin. The car dealer wants to sell each car for 20,000 euros. Therefore, he places a bid in which one car is bartered for 20,000 euros. Since he has 4 cars, the bid can be entered 4 times. Note that instead of placing 4 separate bids, BarterMachine allows a bidder to place the bid once and explicitly give a duplication factor. In this case, up to 4 cars can be sold and hence a duplication factor of 4 is specified. Alice has a very valuable house in Paris. She wants to directly barter her Paris house with a Berlin house, a car and 5,000 euros. That is to say, the Paris house will be given away and in return she wants to get a Berlin house, a car and 5,000 euros altogether. John, on the other hand, wants to barter his Berlin house with Barcelona house, a car and €4,000. Bob's Barcelona house is less valuable than a Paris house. Therefore, he wants to barter his Barcelona house plus €50,000 for a Paris house. That is to say, in addition to Barcelona house, he will give away €50,000 more in order to get the Paris house. Mary wants to buy a car. But she has €15,000 to spend for the car. Therefore, she places a bid in which she gives away €15,000 in order to get a car. Oliver has €160,000 with which he wants to buy a Barcelona house. Therefore, he places a bid in which he gives away €160,000 in order to get a Barcelona house. is the summary of all the bids submitted by the 6 bidders. Please note that car dealer's bid is duplicated 4 times. The others do not have duplication factor, which means by default they are all one, i.e., a single bid. Let us now draw the graph of the bids entered. When we queried the bids, we have seen that the bids numbers were 48, 50, 51, 53, 54 and 55. Hence, we can enter the range 48 to 55 in the graph menu in order to draw the bid graph. If we do this, we get our bid graph and we can visualize it. We will now compute a solution. The solution will be found in the user's browser. This process is called solution mining. The person who computes the solution is called a solution miner. If there are excess tokens that is left over after satisfying the requirements of the bids, they will be given as reward to the solution miner. BarterMachine retrieves bids from the blockchain and runs a solver in order to find a subset of bids that form a bartering solution. In this case, bids 48, 50, 51 and 53 form a solution. We call the solution finding process solution mining. The person on whose computer the solution was found and who submitted the solution is called the solution miner. After satisfying what the bidders give and get in return, there is a leftover €1,000 tokens. The leftover, i.e. the excess, €1,000 tokens are given to the solution miner as a reward for finding the solution. Note that the satisfied bid numbers are 48, 50, 51 and 53 and the corresponding bid duplication factors are 2, 1, 1 and 1. That is to say 2 of bid 48 are satisfied. 1 bid 50 is satisfied. 1 bid 51 is satisfied and finally 1 bid 53 is satisfied. Let us now look at car dealer's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, car dealer had 4 cars and no euros. After bartering 2 cars, the euro token balance becomes €40,000 since €20,000 was demanded for each of the 2 cars bartered. Next, let us look at Alice's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, Alice had 1 Paris house. After bartering he now owns 1 Berlin house, 1 car and €5,000. These were what she demanded in her bid. Next, let us look at John's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, John had 1 Berlin house. After bartering he now owns 1 Barcelona house, 1 car and €4,000. These were what he demanded in his bid. Next, let us look at Bob's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, Bob had one Barcelona house and €50,000. After bartering, he now owns one Paris house. This is what he demanded in his bid by giving away his one Barcelona house and €50,000. Now, let us look at Mary's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, Mary had €15,000. No bid of Mary was satisfied, that is to say, no bid of Mary was selected in a solution. Hence, she did not participate in bartering. Therefore, her token balances remain the same afterwards. Next, let us look at Oliver's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, Oliver had €160,000. No bid of Oliver was satisfied, that is to say, no bid of Oliver was selected in a solution. Hence, he did not participate in bartering. Therefore, his euro token balances remain the same afterwards. Finally, let us look at Miner's token balances before and after bartering. Before bartering, the miner had no euros. After bartering, the miner was rewarded the leftover €1,000 for submitting the solution.